Clayton was founded in 1956, and we're a leading single-family home builder. We have 380 retail company-owned home centers across the country. Our mission is to bring affordable housing to everyone. Prior to implementing Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM, we were running on legacy technologies, and those legacy technologies resulted in multiple copies of data or even data that had discrepancies in it. And as a result, it was difficult to make critical business decisions based on those data. We chose Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM because of the breadth of the platform, because of the services that Oracle provides, and ultimately landed and selected on Oracle. Using Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM has impacted our business so far by really helping us maintain lower inventory levels and ultimately reducing our operating cost. We chose to work with Grant Thornton on the implementation because of the experience and skill of each of the individual Grant Thornton team members that we worked with. They challenged us through the RFP process. It was really making sure that we were implementing an industry best practice solution that met Clayton's needs. In terms of some quantitative gains, we've been able to reduce our inventory days on hand. We have had improved data insights that have helped us be more efficient in our operations. Oracle has helped us to maintain lower costs in our manufacturing processes, ultimately being able to pass those savings on to our customers. The value of Oracle as a technology partner isn't just the technology, but it's the investment that Oracle makes to understand Clayton's business, and ultimately that partnership that helps us achieve our objectives of being an attainable home provider.